Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a shoe try-on haul from the brand Dream Pairs. Now, if y'all have never heard of the brand Dream Pairs is a online shoe brand that also sells on Amazon, so you can check them out on there or on their website, but they sell a vast selection of different shoes. They sell boots, they sell sneakers, they sell wedges, they sell heels, they sell flip-flops. You name it, they sell it on their website. Lots of different selections, lots of different colors for women, men, and kids, and the prices are unfreaking believable. I mean, like, whenever I checked them out, I was hooked with their shoes. But before we even get into the video, before we even talk about shoes and the nitty-gritty about these shoes and trying these shoes on, I really want to sit down and reach out to y'all. I want to have a heart-to-heart just for a second. And with everything that's going on in the world right now, with all the chaos and all the heartache and all the pain and all the suffering, I just want you to know that I am listening. I hear you and I am listening. For those of you that are crying out wanting to be heard, I hear you. I am on your side 100%, and I am listening. I am learning myself. And on my channel, I vow to do my part to level the playing field. I'm going to do my part. That is what I can do on my channel. I can control myself. I can't control anybody else, but I control what I put here on my channel, and you're going to see that from here on out. And with that being said, if you're aware of any Black-owned plus-size fashion brands that you think that would fit on my channel, please let me know in the comment section. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on YouTube or Twitter, and I will definitely check those out and try to feature them here on my channel in the future. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video is in collaboration with Dream Pairs. Dream Pairs did reach out to me. They did send me these shoes for free. However, I am not sponsored or affiliated, so I did not receive any sort of monetary gain at the beginning of this video, at the end of this video, or affiliated with this video. So if you click to buy, if you don't click to buy, if you choose to buy, if you return, it does not matter. I did not receive any sort of monetary gain at the end of this video or as a whole whatsoever. So I just want y'all to know as a full disclosure. So let's get into the video. So the first pair of shoes that I picked out on the Dream Pairs website is very reminiscent of the shoes that I actually picked out in another video, which was the Anna Wintour approved plus size clothing haul. If you haven't yet watched that video, please check it out up here. I'll leave a link to it right here. But in that video, I showed y'all shoes that were considered Anna Wintour approved. So they're like in Vogue magazine, in Cosmopolitan, all over the internet. It's very on trend right now. And they were like $330. These are very much the same. However, these are like $16. And this is what they look like. So whenever I saw these online, I picked these out because these were a really good dupe for those shoes that I featured in that video. So as you can see, these are kind of slide-on shoes with just a little bit of heel. And actually for $16, I was very surprised with the quality. So as you can see, the front kind of has this cage detail that has these little like chrome buttony studs. And online, I was thinking that the studs were probably glued on because the price, you know what I'm saying? If you hear my dogs, they're out here playing. But whenever I see them in the mail, they're actually like studded in there, so they're clamped in there, and it's actually really nice quality. Now these little studs here is kind of like a chrome plated plastic, so it's probably not going to last you very long, but I love these. As I mentioned before, they're very on trend. I love kind of the cage detail, and it's like very geometric cut out, and then it also gives you a little bit of height. And these are very comfortable. So normally I wear a size 9. They didn't have a size 9, so I picked these out in a size 8.5, and I'm glad that I did because they fit absolutely perfectly. So this is what they look like head on. So if you're wearing them, this is what they're gonna look like when you're looking down south. And this is what the insole looks like. It's a very comfortable insole. It kind of has a lift about it, so it's somewhat supportive. But I thought these were really cute, very pretty, and I just like the whole profile of these. I like the way they look, like, you know, front ways on, and then whenever you turn them upside down, this is what the bottom looks like. So it's a kind of a nice rubbery, somewhat grippy sole, so you're not going to slip and slide in these in slippery conditions. Not too much anyway. I wouldn't guarantee that you're not going to slip. And it has the Dream Pairs insignia right here at the bottom. And overall, these are really nice very good quality shoes, particularly for the price. Now when I say they're good for the price or whatever, I'm not saying they're good for like $5 shoes or $10 shoes. They're actually something that I would pay probably $30, $40, maybe even $50 for. So this is the first pair. I really love these. These are really cute, very versatile, very good for dress up, dress down. You could wear these out to eat. You could wear these around the house and still look very cute and very stylish. So the second pair of shoes that I picked out on the Dream Pair website is a very simple shoe, and it's a very practical shoe, but it's a shoe that would go with lots of different garments and lots of different outfits and just kind of pull the whole outfit together, and that is this shoe. And I just really fell in love with this whole silhouette. It was very cute online, and then whenever you turn these over, this is what the front part looks like. And I don't know if you can tell online, but it has about a 1 to 2 inch strap that goes across the toe here. And I wore these actually in a plus size try on haul video last week. And I'm not sure if y'all are aware, but whenever I do my plus size try on haul videos, I usually film each garment for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm moving around, I'm dancing, you know, I'm trying to get the good shots. And I was wearing these shoes. And over the course of time, I did notice that this strap, particularly right here, so the outer strap by my feet, did start to make them quite sore. So it was kind of grinding into my feet. So if you have bigger toes or a wider foot, this shoe might be something you want to steer clear from. But otherwise, the heel, the strap around the ankle, everything else was very comfortable. So let's talk about the strap really quick. So as I mentioned before, it is a very simple silhouette. It has a strap that goes on the back of the ankle here, and then it has a strap that goes on the front of the ankle with a very simple gold buckle. And then whenever you turn these around, this is what the heel looks like. And as I mentioned before, this is a very chunky heel. It's like a faux suede fabric that goes over it. And I would say this is probably a 4-inch lift by a 2-inch. So it's going to help support you if you don't like the little tiny heels. This is going to be something you're going to be interested in. And then the insole, as you can see, has this kind of raised area right here. Once again, it's very cushiony, it's very comfortable, and I find that it's quite supportive. So when I talk about quality of these shoes, I would say these are more on par with Walmart quality or Payless quality. They are not perfect. They have little lumps and bumps. They have some of this like faux leather kind of lifting up and bending somewhat, and some like missing little stitches here. So I can't guarantee these are going to last you the test of time. They're definitely not meant to last. They're probably 1 season, maybe two season shoes. So I just want to let y'all know, like, first and foremost, these are not like high-end shoes whatsoever, but they are very cute. Once again, they're very practical, and the price is right, definitely, for these shoes. So whenever you turn these around, this is what the bottom part looks like. And it has this like glazy, glossy plastic material right here, as well as kind of this like faux fabric grippy material. So I wouldn't say that these are gonna prevent you from slipping around or whatever, but it does have a little bit of something. And it also has this like hard plasticky material for the heel as well. So this is the second pair. I really do like these. I think that I will get a lot of use out of these, particularly with jeans, because y'all know I'm a jeans wearing girl. But yeah, these are really cute, and for the price, they cannot be beat. And speaking of shoes, look who wants my shoes. You want my shoes? So the next and final 2 pairs of shoes that I picked out from the Dream Pair website are both sneakers, and I liked one pair so much that I picked them up in a different color in the other pair. So I'm just gonna bulk them together in the same lot, in the same segment, and talk about them together. So let's talk about the first one, and then I'll move on to the second color as well. So this is what the first pair looked like, and whenever I saw these online, these were actually the first pair that I picked out on their website. I thought these were so cute. And as you can tell, these are kind of like an off-white or a very cream style color, very clean, very like cool looking shoe. And I'm not really sure if you can tell just how vibrant and neon these stripes are. So it has stripes that go across half of the toe here and then across the back of it here. So they're very pretty. And I just love how eye-catching they are. And then they have a black strap right here. So these are very stylish in my opinion. And as far as quality goes, I would say these are definitely comparable to some Nikes that I have bought in the past. These are very sturdy. They're very comfortable. They don't have a whole lot of give, so they're actually like supportive shoes. and they're good quality shoes. I was actually super impressed when I took these out of the box, because I bought some $100, not $100, but maybe like $65 Nikes in the past, and they were just really poor quality. These are not like that at all, and I think these are like $29. So overhead, this is what they look like. So when you're looking at them like face down, this is what they're going to look like. They have these nice kind of a paracord laces on the front, and they're kind of like a sock detail, so they're pull-on style, so it doesn't really make a whole lot of difference what you do with the laces here. And I just love the design of these. They're very cute. They have a really nice big, very sturdy sole here, so there's no kind of like seam ripping, or I don't know if you are familiar with a lot of shoes that have this kind of thick seam right here, but it's kind of like it will buckle and peel apart. This hasn't been like that at all. I'm really impressed with these shoes. And this is what the bottom part looks like. So nothing really special with the bottom. It's not really that non-skid or whatever, but if you're a walker, if you like to walk on the treadmill, if you like to work out, I would say these are pretty good quality shoes, and definitely ones that I'm going to be walking on the treadmill with for sure. I didn't want to do it yet because I wanted to show y'all in this video first, but yeah, this is a dang on good quality shoe. And then the second one is that one in pink and black. So that one is the white and orange, and this one is the pink and black. And as you can see, it's the same kind of style, and same with the back. It has this like black on pink, which I think black on pink looks really cool. It's kind of a little bit 80s. It's sort of a dusty pink, and it's just a stylish looking color, and it matches a lot of the activewear that I have right now. And actually this style comes in lots of different color variations, so if you're interested in this style shoe, if you like this style shoe, check it out, because it has the white and orange, it has the pink and black, it has got like a navy one, it's got lots of different colors. So if you're interested in that, please check these out, because they are super cheap and good quality, and I really legit like them. Whether or not they were going to send them to me, I was going to buy them anyway. So thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Next week, I just want to let y'all know that I will not be here. I probably won't be posting. I have some personal things that I'm going to be doing, and as well as a chemical peel. So I plan on doing a TCA 25% chemical peel, and if y'all are interested in me doing that on camera, like a diary or whatever, that's kind of what I was planning on doing, but I just didn't know. So I'm probably gonna do the peel either tomorrow or Sunday, and then give myself a full week to recover, as well as document if that's something y'all want me to do. So please let me know in the comment section below, as well as any Black and minority brand clothing, plus size clothing brands. Let me know those in the comment section also down below. So I have some really interesting content coming. I've placed a lot of orders for Black and minority owned brand stuff, as far as like makeup goes. So as I mentioned before, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm not just gonna say this one time. This is going to be an ongoing theme here on my channel. So I wanna make it fair, I wanna make it right, and I wanna do my part to make things good in my world, in my universe, and I encourage y'all to do the same as well. So once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this crazy world that we live in, and I'll be seeing y'all very soon. Bye y'all.